rocketry is another fun hobby that you can get into with your dad and just start building rockets. And we have two great starter sets, which is the Tandem X and the Javelin. These are both of your starter sets. Now the Javelin comes with one plastic rocket, very easy to build, okay, and a launch rod. Let me show this real quick here. Okay, so this is the Javelin. So inside the Javelin is your complete launch rocket. This is your complete launch pad. It comes with all your poles, the feet and everything. So a complete launch rocket. Then it comes with the rocket, very easy to put together. What these kits are is basically crazy glue. All you need to do is a little bit of crazy glue or model kit glue, and it goes together in about 10 minutes. All right, and then it has a glider. The glider basically attaches to your rocket right here, and then the glider will glide down after rocket launch. And then this is your rod, your launch rocket rod right here that goes onto your launch rocket. And these are basically your starter kits, okay? So whenever you buy a rocket launcher, a set, you're also going to want to get your rockets, because it doesn't come with rockets. Now the Javelin, it will say on your thing here which rockets you need. And normally with this one, it's the A83, which is this one, or A810, you can use that, or A83 right here. And that's a very short rocket launch. It's about 100 feet, 50 feet, 200 feet. And the same thing with the now the Tandem is a little bigger because it comes with two rockets. All right, same rocket launcher, and it will tell you the launches. A83s. This is the rocket you want to start with, is the A83 rocket engine, and they come with the fuses and everything. Now we do have extra fuses right here. We have everything you need to launch your rockets at ProTinkerToys. All your key stuff, and then we have all your key rockets. Like these are the latest two rockets that are out right now. Wad is just basically toilet paper, and it comes with the wad. When you buy your engines, it comes with wad right here. No, they don't have wads in this one, but it's basically toilet paper.
Do you use toilet paper?
You can use toilet paper, yep. I use toilet paper all the time when I don't have the regular wadding. And then the latest two rocket engines, or rockets, which are really nice. These are deluxe kits, and that is the Orbital Transport and then Antar, okay? And these, you paint them, you put them together, and then you launch them. These are really nice kits. The same thing with, for example, the Big Daddy, okay? Big Bertha, they do go to space. Yes, we've gone to space many times. We've gone to the moon about 8 times. So we have everything, and model rocketry is a fun hobby for the winter because you can do it, build all your rockets in the winter, and especially if there's a nice day. See, here's why rocketry in the winter is the best. Number one, you launch in a field, or you can launch your rocket where there's a lot of trees because the leaves are all gone. So the rocket, you can see the rocket come down. And you don't get it lost. And that's why rocketry in the winter is really nice. And so we have everything you need to rocket your launch, or launch your rocket, and have a lot of fun at ProTinkerToys.com. One more hobby to have fun at ProTinkerToys.com. Don't forget to like and hit the notification button, and have a great day.